change the side of the chicken.
Audio Jungle.
Guys, we are preparing prawns today, and we are going to place the spices in it. And place the prawns. We have some tomatoes, onion, and some green chili. We're going to place some carrot. You can see. I'm going to place some onion, some garlic, green chili, and we are going to keep them for at least 15 to 18 minutes. Then we'll change the side for this. Some oil. I'm going to cover it.
Hi guys, welcome back to RB channel. Once again, I'm going for a new vlog, inshallah, at the Wadi Shauka side at the evening, and it's cloudy. The weather has been changed since from 2 days it's raining. Thank you so much guys for the subscribing the channel, and appreciated the guys who has already subscribed my channel and following my channel, watching my channel. Thank you so much guys. And inshallah at the evening I'll be going back to the house, and I'm just going to explore the mountains and have a nice outing with the family outside. Thank you so much guys for watching the channel, and I'm going to show you the entire view from the front side. You can see the sands are wet. It was raining yesterday, day before yesterday. Not cloudy, but they say it's going to be rain once again in the afternoon and the evening. Let's hope for the best. To the mountain, quite windy outside. It's going to be awesome, inshallah. This is amazing. It's quite peaceful here. We're looking a place to sit. Place where we have reached. It's a dam over there. We have reached at the place. Now we are preparing our lunchtime, and I've kept the things. It's a very beautiful place. You can see around me. Place for the fire, and this is the beautiful valley, if you can see. Very amazing. We are just putting the fire. Get back, Ahmed. You'll just wait for the charcoal. Guys, we are preparing the chicken, which is already marinated from the house. We're just placing them. Charcoal is ready. Ahmed, come closer. Let's see. Guys, these are the tomatoes and the onion. We'll just bake them for the better taste. I'm going to place them. Come. See, the chicken are getting prepared. Onions are there, tomatoes are there. Still the fire is on because I have prawns in the foil. I'm going to place them. It seems the families are coming now. You can see those cars behind, and some of the cars are behind me. The weather is getting better and better, and the clouds are started to come. It's awesome. This is Ahmad, my son, small one. He's playing over here. It's getting prepared. It's nice. I'll change the face for this. Change the side of the chicken. If you can see, the sound of being prepared and grilled is amazing. Guys, the chickens are ready. If you can see, I'm gonna put them here. This one is also ready. Ahmad just show them this. And this is also ready. Let me taste it. It's juicy. And we have some spices for yogurt for them. This is also ready. If you can see, onions and tomatoes. I'll just remove them here. And I'm going to place the prawns, which is in the foil already. And we'll keep this tray a bit. We have the prawns with vegetables mix in it, and we are going to place it at least for 15 to 18 minutes, and we are going to change it. Yeah. Okay. Guys, the lunch is ready. We are already ready for the lunch. You can see the chickens are here, and we have tomato and onion in this. And here in the foil, we have shrimps with vegetable. We're going to open it now. I was waiting for this one actually. Bismillah. You can see the shrimps are here. Have all the spices inside. You can see the onions are here. Carrots are here. And it's totally grilled, yeah. Mm. It's tasty. It's hot. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing the channel. Thank you for following my channel. Thank you guys. Let's have our lunch at this time. Thank you. Guys, we are done with our lunch and it's about to be evening 5. We are packing the stuff. You can see my car is behind and we are moving towards the beautiful places. Wanted to find some waters if anything is there for the rain for past 2 days. And let's see this beautiful place. It's amazing. Look at this beautiful valley. Actually, it's a dam. It's in between the you're coming towards the Wadi Shauka. If you're going towards the Kalba, you can find this place. You can come with families, you can sit, you can enjoy, you can make barbecue. See that beautiful sunset. Amazing, mashallah.